Okay, welcome to Genius Dreams Education channel. Today we are going to look at how you can create clipping marks in Photoshop. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel to get weekly videos on Photoshop and website development. So first of all, let me just create some, let me just create some circles like this. Let me make copy of these things, Control J to make copy. Let me also try and create a rectangle part. Draw the filling color is not all that important. Then let me use Control J to make a copy of this one too. So now I'm done with these four shapes. So I'm going to import image into them. So the first one is this rectangle here. So I want to create clipping marks. So I'll bring the image on top of that rectangle. Then I'll right click on the image. Then I'll come here, create clipping marks. I'll press on it. And you see our image then fits within this box. I can also do the same for the ellipse too. So I'll just send my image on top of the ellipse. So when I send it on top of the ellipse, that's the copied one, then I'll right click on it and click on create clipping marks, and you can see it has now fit within the ellipse, and I can position or adjust it to anywhere I want. So I can also go in for another image and do same. For this one, I can bring it here. I have to make sure that it's on top of the ellipse I want to, or it's on top of the image or the object I want to provide that effect to. So I want to provide the clipping marks on this ellipse, this one, so I'll make sure that. So I want to provide the effect of the ellipse on. So I want to provide the effect of the clipping marks on this ellipse. So I'll make sure that my image or whatever I want to use for the clipping marks is on top of this ellipse. Then I'll right click on it and click on create clipping marks. I'll then position it well within its box. So I can also go further if I want. So now I can also go and add another image. If I want to add this image, I can bring it here and also right click on it to create another clipping marks. I can then position this within this box as it fits well, as if it comes with the box. So this is how clipping marks can be created in Photoshop in order to fit an image inside the shape you want to do. So first of all, you have to bring the image, the effect of the clipping marks on top of the layer you want to create the clipping marks. For example, this one, I want to create the clipping marks to affect this rectangle. So I'll bring that image or whatever I want to use on top of that layer, and I'll click on it to create the clipping marks. So this is how you can create clipping marks in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get weekly videos on Photoshop and website development. Thank you. Bye.